we're gonna do some I don't know what's this, but this list from this one, it's, I think this is a Fulton, I think, and this is an 8. That's, and this one, no, I don't know what's not bad. And this hate, this kitty is cute. Checks. And this one, I don't know him, so I'm gonna go with that. And this one, good, my favorite. This one, I hate him. This one, I hate him. And my favorite, I don't know him, so not bad. Cocomelon, good. Vegito, it's almost full. What should we do?
Mini blocks?
No.
That's mini blocks.
I know. Fulton. No, he's not my favorite. Stop. Duffet Boom, I don't want to say his name. This is my favorite. This. And I hate all of them. And this one. That's all my list, but for on the bottom, I hate them. And they are from the hate thing. Now, bye-bye. Oh, I forgot I can put in there. I hate them. I hate him. I hate him. That is my list. My favorite is Jordan Matter, and then Zala family and Tintin, and then Royalty family. And then we have here a good Cocomelon from Fulton and IKM Master, and this cat, Mr. Beast, Seakef, Digito, Mini Blocks, and Fulton,
And
Nate the Greek, and Tidua, I think so, and this one, Jax, and Talanthric, Ashu Speed, and Matt, Darman, Duffet Boom, Tapwater, and Sunny, and Melon. That's all my list. Bye-bye.